Alright, so I grabbed just a scrap of cherry I had left over. I think I made the brackets up on the wall with that. I'm gonna mill this in half to 3/4 inch thick. And then I'm gonna cut out 2 of these profiles right here. It's gonna be my toilet paper holder. And then I'm gonna drill a hole right there for my 3/4 inch dowel. Then I'm going to put a little cap on the end. I might carve it or make it look cool, and that's going to slide through. And then I'm going to cut a tiny little 1/4 inch through mortise, and then have a wedged pin that'll hold that in place, which will be awesome because that'll teach my boys wedge joinery. Every time they teach, or every time they change the toilet paper, they're going to see the joint, experience taking it apart and putting it back together again, which will hopefully give them some appreciation for the craft. Yes. If you are anything like me, you're probably pretty bummed about this whole COVID situation and the fact that it's canceled all of the fun maker events where you get to go and hang out with your favorite makers. So what we are doing over at the Makers Mob is we are having a live webinar with Jimmy D, the Godfather himself. He's going to be sharing some of his inside processes around how he designs and builds in his shop, his workflow from start to completion kind of stuff, as well as he's going to share some of the stories behind some of his kind of most iconic, legendary YouTube builds. So if you guys want to hang out with Jimmy, it's a free live event. We've got 1,000 seats that are available for this webinar on August 27th. Just click the link in the description box below and we'll see you then. It's going to be a good time. Alright, just double checking my R&D here with the toilet paper. You know, you want to have a little bit of roll, bit of jumbo roll on there, bit of room, I guess. Or we could just go for the modern look and just leave it like that, you know. Edgy, square, modern, so trendy right now. Are you bummed that you missed out on all the awesome maker events that had to get canceled? Well, on August 27th, Maker's Mob will be hosting a live webinar with Jimmy DeResta himself. Make sure you click the link in the description box below. We got 1,000 seats available for this webinar. It's a free live event that will hopefully put a little more wind in your sails and help us shake the cobwebs loose after all this crazy pandemic stuff and just have a good time. So if you want to get in on that, click the link in the description box below. Do not hesitate, and we will see you on August 27th. Please like and share this video, guys, and let me know what you think of the design and how everything turned out in the comment section below. Until next time, Samurai out.